Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these common spark plugs, often seen as old and useless, into a powerful, versatile tool for your DIY projects. I'm starting with a standard electrical plug. I need to get inside, so I'm carefully unscrewing the main component here. This will allow me to access and modify the internal structure, which is crucial for our project. Now that the casing is open, I'm removing the original electrical pins and insulators. I won't be needing these for my new creation. What I really need is this empty plastic housing. I'll then take one of my spark plugs and carefully insert it into the central opening of one half of the plug casing, making sure it fits snugly. Next, I'm taking a red electrical wire. I'll strip a small section of the insulation at one end. This exposed copper will be our first electrical contact point for the spark plug. I'm carefully wrapping this stripped end around the central electrode terminal of the spark plug. This ensures a tight and reliable electrical connection. Using my pliers, I'm gently crimping the wire securely onto the spark plug's terminal. A strong connection is absolutely essential for optimal conductivity. Once that's tight, I'll thread the rest of the red wire through the casing and reassemble the two halves of the orange plastic plug around the spark plug and wire. I'll make sure the wire is routed neatly through the designated channel in the plastic casing. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To keep everything secure and well insulated, I'm now applying hot glue around the base of the spark plug, where it meets the plastic casing. This not only reinforces the assembly but also prevents any potential short circuits and keeps moisture out, ensuring the longevity and safety of our new tool. After securing the spark plug, I'll strip the insulation from the other end of the red wire, then twist the copper strands together to create a secure connection. I'll attach an alligator clip to the end of the red wire. This will be the positive terminal for connecting to the power source. Now for the core of our heating element. I'm taking a standard AA battery and carefully removing its outer metal casing using pliers. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once the casing is off, I can extract the carbon rod from the center. This carbon rod is key to creating a high-temperature tip. With the carbon rod extracted, I'm going to clean it thoroughly with a paper towel. Then, I insert it into my drill chuck. This setup allows me to precisely shape the tip of the carbon rod using sandpaper. I'm grinding it to a fine point because a sharper tip will concentrate heat more effectively, making our tool highly efficient. I'll get a brass connector to fit onto the spark plug in preparation for connection. Next, I'm inserting the sharpened carbon rod into this small brass terminal connector. This connector will provide a solid electrical contact. It's starting to look like a proper tool. Now, I'll take a red wire and strip off a section of its insulation. This wire will be connected to the nut on the brass connector of the spark plug. I secure the copper wire firmly to conduct electricity. For the other end of the red wire, I strip off a longer section of insulation and twist it tightly. I carefully wrap the stripped copper wires around the metal threads of the spark plug. This ensures the circuit is complete when we connect the power. Just like with the red wire, I'm attaching another alligator clip to the free end of the blue wire, making sure to strip the insulation first. I'll then crimp it tightly and slide on the black rubber protective sleeve. This will be our negative terminal, completing the electrical connections for our versatile device. Now for the power. I'm taking a battery from my cordless drill. This battery pack will provide the necessary voltage and current for our tool. To interface with the battery, I'm placing two metal washers into its terminals. These will act as contact points for our alligator clips, creating a stable and secure connection. I'm connecting the orange and black alligator clips to the battery terminals. This completes our power circuit for the tool. I'm touching the carbon rod of my homemade tool to the negative alligator clip. Watch what happens. You can see the graphite tip heat up and glow brightly, creating sparks. The tool is now powered up and ready for action. Let's see what this device can do. I've got 2 razor blades here, and I'll use it to demonstrate its soldering capabilities. Watch as I apply the tip to the blade. See how quickly it heats up and begins to melt the metal? This little spark plug innovation works wonderfully as a precision soldering iron, tackling small, delicate tasks with ease. The concentrated heat from the carbon rod makes quick work of the metal. Next, I'm taking a standard AA battery. I'm using clothespins to hold AA batteries on a piece of wood. I'm using alligator clips to secure the metal strip for soldering to the battery. I'll bring the heated carbon rod into contact with the metal strip. The concentrated heat quickly melts the metal, creating a solid connection. Perfect for battery tab welding. It glows red hot and creates a strong bond. And finally, let's test its capabilities as a heating tool. I have a screw and nut. I'll weld them together using a homemade soldering iron. By applying the heated tip of the tool directly to the nut, the concentrated heat melts the metal, allowing the bolt and nut to fit together securely. This truly demonstrates the versatility of our improved spark plug removal tool. Our incredible multifunctional tool, made from a simple spark plug. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.